Welcome to the Appian Tech4TX training video for customer list and new customer eligibility request. This tutorial will walk you through how to navigate the DIR customer list provided in the portal, which includes searching and filtering customers, exporting the customer list, submitting a new customer eligibility request, and contesting a customer's eligibility status. First, log in and click on the waffle icon to navigate to the vendor sales reporting portal. In the left side menu, click on the Reports drop-down, then click on Customers. The Customers report screen lists all customers currently in the DIR system, including additional information on the customer, such as the customer's eligibility status, customer sector type and subtype, and the customer's official name. The customer list is updated on a regular basis, and information can change based on statutes that define DIR customers or new customer requests submitted by our vendor community. Vendors are encouraged to review the list of customers as early as possible during the sale to ensure that the customer is both listed and eligible to purchase through DIR. Search through the list of DIR customers by utilizing the search bar and filters. Filter customers by eligibility status, sector types, and sector subtypes. Export search results as an Excel file and save filters for your convenience. Customers that are not listed in the customer list may not be reported on a vendor sales report until a customer eligibility request is submitted, reviewed, and approved by DIR. Click on the New Customer Eligibility Request button and fill out the form and provide as much information as possible for DIR review. Customer eligibility is defined by statute and is subject to legislative updates. Review the list of defining statutes for DIR-eligible customers by clicking on the link that directs you to the Customer Eligibility page on the DIR website. Note that out-of-state customers are required to have an executed Interstate Cooperation Contract, or ICC, with DIR to purchase through DIR contracts. To find more information, click on the link to navigate to the Organizations Outside of Texas page on the DIR website. Click Submit when complete, and DIR will review your form within 5 to 7 business days and inform you with a determination. Lastly, if a customer's status is ineligible and you've determined that they should be eligible based on defining statutes, you can contest a customer's eligibility status for DIR to review. To do so, click on the Ineligible Customer and click on the Contest Eligibility Status button. Please be sure to view other training videos in this series on the DIR YouTube channel to learn more about the Appian Tech4TX platform. You can also contact DIR at tech4texas@dir.texas.gov with any questions. For contract-related questions, contact your assigned DIR contract manager.